Hi there, I want to show you how to create a Sniply link. Um, First of all, what is a Sniply link? So a Sniply link is where you can create, let me show you. I'm going to go over to one of my sites and show you that what it's going to look like. So you can find any site, any website, and add your little information will pop up wherever you tell it to pop up using a Sniply link. So see, my face is kind of covering it here on this recording, but down here in the bottom left, it says if you'd like more information, click here. So for my business, because I'm an iBoomerang, this is an information site that we have here. Okay, so this is what the regular site looks like. So it doesn't have my link down at the bottom left. But then once I created the Sniply, see when someone logs on, my little box is going to pop up down here. So you can utilize this for, to be able to redirect anybody from an information website or whatever. Let's say, like for me, I'm in the travel industry, so I could find a helpful article on travel, and create a Sniply link on that page and then share it on social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, or whatever. Okay, so back to Sniply. It's so simple, guys. So once you go to the website, it's snip.ly. It is a paid for service, so you can use the free service for I think 2 weeks. And then upgrade. So you'll just need to check out the pricing and all that kind of stuff. But once you once you want to create a snip, it's just super duper easy. You just go to your dashboard, and then up here it says create snip. That's it, guys. You copy and paste the URL for the page that you want to create a snip, and you paste it here. You click on create snip. Let's just do one. Well, I already have one. So let's look at, like, once you do create snip, it's going to give you the option. It just walks you through all the steps. Like, seriously, I don't want to walk you through every single step, but it walks you through every single step. Just fill in the blanks. That's all you need to do. And then at the end, you're going to have your snip code. That's your website that's your new website. Instead of sending people to the original URL, you're going to send them to your Sniply URL, so that way your information pops up. So just look here also in the back office. You can see how many people have clicked on how many conversions you've had from your Sniply. So it's really good. The analytics in the back office is really good as well. So I hope this was helpful on how to use Sniply.